I think mostly ये सवाल इतनी बार आ जाते हैं just because why don't they ask male music directors कि female music directors क्यों नहीं है?
Hi, welcome to Peeping Moon. I am Rashita Sahani and today I'll be chatting with Sneha Khanvilkar about Times of Music and her journey in the industry. So Sneha, firstly tell me about Times of Music. It is getting legendary artists under one platform. And how was this ideated and how did you become a part of it?
So I was contacted by the show and they said that they wanted me to collaborate with Indian Ocean. Like I would create their song and they would create mine. And I thought it was cool, and I thought that Indian Ocean has a sound that I like, and they also must be appreciative of my sound, so it'll be a good jam. So yeah.
Okay. And how has the collaboration overall been, working from home? Of course, it's lockdown and everyone's kind of, being productive from home. So how has your experience been?
I just had a baby, so I'm heavily preoccupied with the baby. Loving every moment of it, but it's a bit taxing that I can't take him outside. I had him in January, so अभी पिछले 4 महीने तो lockdown में ही गए हैं. So, but it's a lot of fun.
Yeah, and it's an MX Player collaboration with Smule app. Do you think that music apps have sort of influenced the music scene in our industry or in our country?
Music apps?
Yeah.
I don't think they are influencing the scene. I feel they are complementing it quite well because promotionally it is helping each other.
Yeah.
But it's not. Also, maybe the indie scene and the make your song and put it out there kind of a scenario is definitely getting more encouragement because of the apps. Plus, I think audiences in general are getting more used to doing it themselves, and so their judgment of music has also become higher in the sense थोड़ा अब ज़्यादा मांगेंगे लोग because अब इतना कुछ already सुन चुके हैं.
Okay, and Sneha, coming from a place where you had to start your journey yourself and making your name in the industry, how has your experience been? Because now ever since there has been like a tragic death in Bollywood, everyone's talking about music industry and it not being independent. It has always been dependent on the film industry. What do you think about that? And coming ahead, making your own name, how has this been?
Yeah, I think I have been able to walk the balanced, boundary for a while because at least the films that I got to do were allowing the kind of music I could do for them. इसलिए मैं बहुत ज़्यादा फिल्में कर नहीं सकती हूँ because फिर मुझे वही करना पड़ेगा जो already Bollywood already generate कर रहा है as music. Musically, so I would personally feel like there should be more opening क्योंकि अभी भी बहुत सारा म्यूजिक जो है कई बहुत सारे म्यूजिकल स्टार्स या अपना करियर बना पाते हैं because of Bollywood just takes all the center stage, and I feel that is a bit not so cool for indie music. पता नहीं 90s में जैसे एक पॉप इंडस्ट्री थी हमारी 80s 90s में जो सडनली आई थी वो काफी मजेदार थी. दलेर मेहंदी, remember that time? I don't know, you must be much younger, but we were listening to that kind of stuff and we could see that Made in India or Sunita Rao and these people could make tracks, whatever the songs were, but there was a little bit of an indie scene. अभी भी इंडी सीन है पर वो थोड़ा छुपा सा है. मतलब तुनक तुम सब सुन रहे थे तो वैसा वाला सीन अगर हो जाए तो अमेजिंग हो जाएगा. We won't have to thrive on Bollywood. Bollywood प्रमोट ऐसे करता है ना बड़े बड़े स्टार्स लेके कि आदमी डर जाए. So I feel like मुझे अपने करियर में ये कई बार क्वेश्चन आता है कि मुझे डराना है लोगों को या क्या करना है? बिकॉज अगर डराना है तो उसका रास्ता थोड़ा अलग है. फिर बड़ी बड़ी फिल्में कर लो, बड़े बड़े स्टार्स, अपने इंदौर के और इधर के उधर के जो फ्रेंड्स है वो सब डर जाएंगे. Oh my God, she's doing a film with these guys. You know, so it'll be like that. So either I choose to do that, or I do like music that can really be like fun and games.
That's true. Okay. And as a female music director, have you personally faced any challenges in the industry?
Personally bole to like Me Too types?
No. Not
Okay.
I meant like, of course, in the professional front, like while getting work, there are a lot of people who have admitted that people have not taken them seriously because of the gender bias that keeps on happening in the industry. So that way.
I think more than the bias, I think the whole reminder that you're constantly reminded that you're the girl music director, you're the female music director is a bit annoying. Like, for example, even the press conference that we had for Times of Music, it was a Zoom press conference, and everybody was on the meeting, all the people involved in the show. They all were in the meeting, and I was the only girl. And मतलब इतने veteran लोग थे, बड़े लोग, आनंद जी, प्यारेलाल जी, विजूषा, आनंद मिलिंद, so many biggies, and even the biggies of today. But सबको questions पूछे गए एक करके, और सबको music के इसके उसके questions पूछे गए. मेरे पास आया तो मेरे पास सवाल ये है, what is it like to be a female music director? And I was like, why can't you just ask me about music or my life in music or my understanding of music or the industry? Why do I constantly have to tell you what it is like to be a female? So that is a bit of a piss off. And also, I guess that is that. I think mostly ये सवाल इतनी बार आ जाता है just because why don't they ask male music directors कि female music directors क्यों नहीं है? You know?
Yeah, that's true.
तो मतलब gender का struggle मेरा सिर्फ यही रहा है mainly. बाकी ऐसा कोई struggle तो is very similar to, you know, the struggle that we face when we go to मतलब हमारी फैमिली में जो जेंडर का डिफरेंस होता होगा, वैसा डिफरेंस तो पूरी सोसाइटी में ही है. तो वैसा तो इंडस्ट्री में है ही. इट्स नॉट सो लिबरल, बट दैट यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड बिकॉज इट्स सिमिलर टू द स्ट्रगल दैट यू सी इन योर ओन सोसाइटी, यू नो. So but yeah.
Okay. And if I may ask you, what is that one tip or advice you would want to, give to musicians, to young musicians who are trying to make it big in the industry?
I would say have a lot of clarity about why you want to do it and why do you want to do a certain project. And if you purely just want fame, no problem, but go after it knowing that you just want fame and you definitely want fame. मतलब सब जो भी करो clarity होनी चाहिए is what I think. दूसरा, I feel कुछ भी हो focus से ज़्यादा नहीं हटना चाहिए, क्योंकि there can be many things that can wobble your focus a little bit. But if you keep your जो फोकस हमारा, जब हम घर से नए आए हुए होते हैं तो हमारा फोकस बहुत स्ट्रांग होता है. मम्मी पापा इतना ज्यादा करियर करा देते हैं कि हम लोग कुछ सालों तक हम बहुत स्टेडी रहते हैं. फिर उसके बाद अपनी लाइफ कंट्रोल में आ जाने के बाद खुद डिसीजंस लेते फिर धीरे धीरे थोड़ा सा इधर उधर हो जाता है फोकस.
Okay. And what about this entire debate of the music mafias, and there are like big companies that have taken over and they don't allow talent, all of these things which singers like Sonu Nigam and Monali Thakur, they have been speaking about. What is your view on that?
Of course है, monopoly तो है ही, मतलब there's no denying it. Some people are affected much more and some people may not be directly affected, but of course there is there is monopoly of certain companies and अगर उनका डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इतना डोमिनेटेड है तो फिर फिल्म वाले क्या करेंगे बेचारे, उन्हीं के पास जाएंगे. बट हैविंग सेड दैट अभी आई एम होपिंग कि ये सारे जो platforms हैं, like you can directly put your music on Spotify, Apple Music, etc. So you don't have to go through a label. But who will promote it? How will you put the money to promote it? So these labels have a way and they have their lobby obviously. तो उन्होंने भी कुछ अपना kingdom खड़ा किया है, उसकी वजह से उनको इतना distribution उनका strong भी हुआ है. तो वो तो obviously वो भी अपनी जगह पे अपनी पावर मेंटेन करेंगे. बट इसमें ये बात तो सही है कि फिर इट बिकम्स इंडस्ट्री फिर टैलेंट थोड़ा फिर इग्नोर हो जाता है. जैसे मैंने अभी सुना है कि कई सारे फिल्मों में म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर के नाम में भूषण कुमार आ रहा है. सो आई एम लाइक, सो आई फील लाइक ओके. So I don't get too deep into it because if I do, then I would like to then properly understand what is going on. Okay. Right now, I want to I'm on to something else, and I'm trying to also figure sound, art and noise music. तो मेरा इससे direct कोई इतना लेना देना भी है नहीं.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much, Sneha, for talking to us. It was great chatting with you.